Hi, in front of me is VIVO T2 PRO, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Finally, just tap on this plus next to Search Passwords and input all of those informations. At the top, you can type in any website, or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even type in some helpful notes. When you finish, just click on Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!